Starting off strong with compact demolition power, the Fantic R11 Pro, brushless, cordless mini reciprocating saw is currently sitting at a sweet 20% discount, giving you a highly efficient brushless motor that delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute in a lightweight, one-handed design that slashes through PVC, metal, and wood with minimal vibration. It's the perfect companion for tight spaces under sinks or up in rafters where a full-size saw won't fit, and it pairs perfectly with our next massive deal if you happen to be tackling some serious plumbing overhauls this weekend. Speaking of clean pipe adjustments, the Telisa PVC pipe cutter is marked down by 24% and features an innovative 3-gear adjustable ratchet mechanism. This design lets you effortlessly slice through plastic hoses, PEX, and heavy-duty PVC up to 2.5 inches in diameter without crushing the pipe material. The ergonomic, spring-loaded handle reduces hand fatigue during repetitive cuts, turning what used to be a frustrating workout into a smooth, one-handed operation. The blade drives through thick plastic like butter, saving you incredible amounts of time on large irrigation or plumbing projects. But as any seasoned DIYer knows, cutting into old lines can quickly expose old, rotted plumbing, which is exactly where you will need a quick rescue plan. When those old threaded connections inevitably snap off inside the wall, you will be incredibly glad you grabbed the new pipe extractor tool set at 13% off. This rugged broken pipe thread remover kit fits 1/2 inch to 1 inch pipe capacities to pull out stubborn nipples without ruining the surrounding fixtures. Its reverse threaded design bites deeper into the damaged metal the harder you turn it, making it an essential insurance policy for emergency repairs. You will save yourself hundreds of dollars on emergency plumber calls just by keeping this compact lifesaver in your toolbox. Of course, attempting to crank on an extracted pipe piece requires a rock-solid workspace anchor to hold everything steady. To lock down your workpieces for precision drilling or filing, the WorkPro Dual Jaws Table Vise is a steal at 15% off, providing a versatile 360-degree swivel. This clamp-on design features interchangeable 2.5 inch and 1.5 inch jaws, tailored for woodworking, metalworking, and delicate tasks like golf club regripping. This small, portable mini vise clamps securely to almost any workbench or kitchen table without leaving nasty marks, ensuring you have a steady extra hand exactly where you need it. The durable cast iron construction handles serious torque without slipping, giving you professional clamping power in a portable package. Now, once you finish locking down your workshop projects, it is time to take that same heavy-duty precision over to the backyard patio. Stepping away from the workbench and moving straight to the patio grill, the Grillion 7-in-1 stainless steel grill spatula is slashed by 33%. This tool combines a heavy-duty flipper, a sharp meat tenderizer, a built-in bottle opener, and integrated serrated edges to slice and scrape your grates. The extra thick stainless steel construction will not flex under giant briskets, while the extended heat-resistant handle keeps your skin safe from flare-ups. You can confidently man the grill station with a single professional-grade utensil instead of fumbling around with a massive pile of separate cooking tools. But if your backyard barbecue runs late into the evening, you are going to need some high-powered illumination to see what you are cooking. To keep your workspace perfectly illuminated long after the sun goes down, the Bosch GLI 12-volt 330 professional cordless light is on sale for 25% off. This unit is packed with 10 super bright LED bulbs that blast out 330 lumens of crisp, wide-angle illumination while running on your existing Bosch 12-volt battery. This compact spotlight features a clever multi-position setup with powerful magnets, a carabiner hook, and a 1/4 inch tripod thread. You can hang it, stick it, or stand it absolutely anywhere to work hands-free, whether you are under the hood of a car or fixing a broken pipe. With your lighting sorted, you can safely turn your attention to manicuring the perimeter of your property. Moving out to the yard, the Works 12-amp 7.5 inch electric lawn edger and trencher is rocking a huge 34% discount. This landscaping beast utilizes a high-torque 12-amp corded motor and a 3-position blade depth adjustment to carve clean, professional lines along your driveway. The integrated cutting line indicator keeps you tracking straight along concrete edges, while the adjustable handle ensures you will not throw your back out. You can easily execute beautiful curb appeal transformations or dig perfect pathways for outdoor lighting cables in a fraction of the time. However, if your outdoor digging uncovers buried irrigation issues, we have another heavy-duty extraction solution ready for you. If you run into stubborn, seized-up bolts or deeper pipe failures while working around the property, the ThinkPro 6-piece pipe extractor set is discounted by 20%. This kit offers tough alloy steel bits ranging from 1/8 inch to 1-inch sizes, specifically engineered to back out stripped screws and damaged threaded ends. The aggressive spiral design ensures a maximum gripping zone as you apply torque, transforming an afternoon-ruining plumbing disaster into a quick, satisfying 5-minute fix. The square drive ends let you use standard tap wrenches to apply maximum leverage without slipping on the damaged hardware. Once the mechanical emergencies are handled, we can head back over to the grill station for a complete and effortless cleanup. Cleaning up after a massive barbecue can be an absolute nightmare, but the Grillion electric grill brush drops by a massive 42% for Prime Day. This gives you a cordless, rechargeable automatic cleaner equipped with a built-in liquid soap dispenser and interchangeable stainless steel wire and bristle-free chain brushes. The high-torque motor spins away baked-on grease in seconds without forcing you to scrub manually, saving your shoulders from an exhausting workout. The waterproof housing means you can safely blast off grime right at the sink or outdoors with the garden hose once the grates have cooled down. To make sure your cooking surfaces are hitting the perfect searing temperatures before you even start cleaning, you will want to check the thermal levels precisely. For instant, pinpoint temperature readouts across your shop or your kitchen, the TempPro TP30 infrared thermometer gun is down by 35%. This device utilizes a precise laser sight to instantly measure surface temperatures ranging from sub-zero freezer components to glowing hot engine blocks without ever touching the surface. The backlit LCD screen displays clear readings in a fraction of a second, making it indispensable for identifying thermal leaks in your home insulation. It is incredibly useful for diagnosing automotive cooling faults, or simply checking if your cast iron skillet is perfectly preheated for a steak. If your diagnostic checks reveal you need to build a more permanent structural fix, it is time to look at some benchtop machinery. Taking your fabrication capabilities to the next level, the Skill 6.2 amp, 10-inch, 5-speed benchtop drill press is slashed by 27%. This machine brings a heavy-duty induction motor, a built-in laser alignment system, and an integrated LED work light directly to your workshop table. The adjustable depth stop and tilting work surface allow for complex bevel drilling into thick hardwoods or structural metals with absolute ease. DIY ears finally get the pinpoint, repeatable accuracy of a commercial machine, packed into a footprint that perfectly fits a standard home garage bench. Of course, running high-powered workshop tools or smoking meats means managing plenty of grease and debris afterward. If you prefer a lighter, ultra-long-handled scrubbing setup for your outdoor cooker, the GrillSpark electric grill brush is marked down by a whopping 52%. This tool rocks an innovative reciprocating motor that pumps out 600 to 720 heavy cleaning strokes per minute to blast away burnt food. It comes with 3 distinct interchangeable brush heads designed to restore filthy grates back to a brilliant mirror finish with 0 elbow grease required. This powerful motorized cleaner takes all the physical strain out of removing charred carbon buildup, making it an absolute home run gift for dads and serious outdoor chefs. But to clean smaller tool components safely, you will want to bring them back inside to a heavy-duty workstation. For those massive fabrication projects that require an unyielding hold at odd angles, the ArtiMaster 360-degree rotating bench vise is currently 30% off. This heavy-duty clamp highlights a quick-release ratchet wrench system and a 4-inch jaw width that easily accommodates massive lumber pieces or heavy metal stock. The versatile multi-axis rotation lets you flip and spin your rounded plumbing pipes to the exact ergonomic angle needed for intricate carving and repairs. This feature saves your wrists from strain while ensuring your saws and chisels strike with perfect stability during complex modifications. With your workpiece locked down tightly, you can seamlessly transition into precision cabinet building and hardware mounting. Cabinet installation and custom shelving become completely foolproof with the Rui tool, shelf pin, and hinge jig 2-in-1, available at a 30% discount. This professional-grade alignment tool boasts an all-metal construction with a built-in self-clamping function alongside 1/4 inch and 5mm drill guide bits. It guarantees perfect alignment every single time, eliminating the guesswork of drilling wobbly shelves or severely misaligned hidden hinges on your custom woodwork. You will save yourself from ruining expensive plywood sheets, while ensuring all your cabinet doors swing perfectly flush on the very first try. Once your cabinets are prepped, you might need to quickly trim down some metal hardware or backing material. When you need to make swift, flush cuts through metal sheets, tiles, or plastics without pulling out a massive circular saw, the Works WX801L Mini Cutter is marked down by an incredible 53%. This tool delivers a compact, lightweight 20-volt powerhouse that maneuvers effortlessly into tight spots where standard angle grinders simply cannot fit. The ergonomic grip gives you absolute one-handed cutting control for trimming down protruding bolts or slicing through tough wire mesh. It serves as an incredibly versatile problem solver that absolutely belongs in every portable tool bag for quick, unexpected metalworking adjustments. But if your project shifts from cutting panels to hanging heavy interior doors, precision templates are essential. Hanging new entryways becomes an absolute breeze with the Go Helper door hinge jig, currently marked down by 30%. This premium aluminum alloy template kit is designed for routers and instantly adjusts to accommodate door hinges ranging from 2.5 inches to 5 inches in length. It easily handles 1/4 inch radius, 5/8 inch radius, and standard square corners to match exactly what kind of hardware you are installing. The robust clamping system mounts directly to your door frame without damaging the wood finish, allowing you to root out flawless mortises in minutes. After dialing in your home carpentry, you can pivot to fine-tuning your mechanical and hobby gear. For the precision marksmen and hobbyists looking to upgrade their equipment, the Wheeler Armorer's handgun sight tool is sitting at a 15% discount. This device provides a heavy-duty, universally adjustable frame designed to safely install, remove, or adjust front and rear dovetail sights on a massive variety of pistols. It performs this task without ever marring or scratching the delicate slide finish, which is a massive upgrade over traditional hammer and punch methods. The large, smooth-turning adjustment wheel applies uniform mechanical pressure to drift sights with micro-inch accuracy, ensuring your gear stays perfectly zeroed. But whether you are tuning up sports gear or a vehicle engine, tight mechanical clearance is always a major issue. Reaching deeply buried bolts inside cramped engine bays or behind heavy machinery is no longer a headache thanks to the Kubeast offset extension wrench, which is discounted by 20%. This incredible tool comes impact-ready with versatile 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch square drive adapters to turn your regular socket set into a low-profile reach extender. The chain-driven internal mechanism transfers maximum torque from your ratchet or impact driver straight to the fastener with absolutely zero loss in power. It allows you to effortlessly break loose rusted fasteners hidden deep inside dark mechanical crevices where your hands could never reach. And while you are tune-adjusting your machinery, you might as well tune up your cutting blades. Keeping your workshop and landscaping blades razor-sharp is fast and effortless with the Orange Ninja 7-in-1 garden tool and knife sharpener, now 15% off. This pocket-sized device is engineered to put a wicked edge back onto axes, hatchets, machetes, pruners, and shears using a single ergonomic tool. The preset carbide guides take all the guesswork out of matching correct blade bevels, ensuring you restore optimal slicing power to old, dull outdoor gear. You can bring dead tools back to life in seconds without hogging off too much steel, saving you money on replacing expensive yard equipment. But if your home improvement moves away from the garden and right into interior remodeling, your wall finishing tools need to be just as sharp. Achieving flawless, paint-ready drywall seams is remarkably easier with the Goldblatt 2-piece drywall corner tool set, discounted by 20%. This specific kit includes a 5-inch outside corner knife, along with a 3.5-inch inside corner knife built from flexible, premium stainless steel. These specialized trowels feature comfortable soft grip handles and allow you to apply uniform joint compound smoothly into tricky 90-degree angles in a single pass. It completely eliminates those ugly mud ridges and massive dusty sanding sessions down the road, giving your walls a professional finish. Finally, after squaring away your home's interior walls, let us wrap things up under the hood of your vehicle. To round out your ultimate Prime Day haul with some vital automotive maintenance, the PQY Universal Spark Plug Gap Tool is marked down by 20%. This kit arrives with a comprehensive 32 blade steel feeler gauge to help you perfectly adjust 10mm, 12mm, 14mm, and 16mm spark plugs. The precision-threaded knob lets you compress ground electrodes with absolute control for peak combustion efficiency across your entire engine block. It actively prevents cracked ceramics and ensures your engine runs flawlessly without annoying misfires, capping off your DIY upgrades perfectly. All the direct links to these exact Amazon Prime Day tool deals are waiting for you down in the description box below. Make sure to snag them before the inventory runs out or the discounts expire.